Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to show which formula you have applied in the Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So here you can see the options of home, and here select the formulas options. So after that, here you can see formula auditing options. So in formula auditing options you can see show formulas. So just click on it. So when you will click on it, you can see the formula is showed. So guys, in this way you can show formula in Excel. So if you want to unshow, so just again click on it, you can see formula is unshowed. So guys, in this way you can show formula in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.